This video will show you how to prepare and load the sample tube for a chemisorption analysis on the Micromeritics AutoChem 3. Remember to always consult your operator's manual for more detailed information. The tools and materials you will need for the sample preparation are an AutoChem sample tube, quartz wool, a weighing dish, a sample tube weighing support, a balance, a cleaning pipe, a funnel, a glass rod, a sample collard, and Kalrez O-rings size 9 and 13. The AutoChem sample tube is made of fused quartz with the capability to endure the maximum furnace temperature of 1,100 degrees Celsius. It is composed of the larger inlet compartment, in which the sample is loaded, and the outlet, where gas flows through after it passes over the sample bed. The line indicates the end of the heated zone, and the thermocouple is placed about 1/4 of an inch below this line, so the level of sample bed should be adjusted appropriately. Before loading the sample, place a pinch of quartz wool at the bottom of the sample tube with the provided glass rod. Be careful not to compact it too much to prevent a pressure buildup during analysis. For non-powder samples such as pellets or extrudates, load the quartz disc with the glass rod. Place the sample tube weighing support on the balance and tare. Weigh the sample tube with quartz wool or quartz disc for the empty tube mass and record. Load the sample of your choice on top of the quartz. The sample tube can handle powders and pellets up to 9 millimeters in diameter. A funnel that extends to the bottom of the sample tube is recommended to minimize sample loss. Use a pipe cleaner to clean the walls of the sample tube. Make sure the sample bed is within the hot zone, which extends to about 2.5 centimeters from the bottom of the tube. Place the sample tube weighing support on the balance and tare. Weigh the sample tube with the sample and record. Now the sample tube is ready to be attached to the instrument. Carefully slide the sample collard over the inlet and outlet of the sample tube. Place the Kalrez O-ring size 13 on the tip of the inlet and size 9 on the outlet. Check if the O-rings are clean and free of debris or cracks to ensure a good seal. Replace if any defects are found. Slide the sample tube into the sample port until it comes to a stop. The thermocouple sits inside of the inlet of the tube. Actuate the KwikConnect lever to attach the sample tube on the analysis port. The thermocouple is placed about 1/4 of an inch below the indicated line on the sample tube. This can be adjusted up and down or placed inside or outside as necessary. Finally, close and lock the furnace. Now the sample is ready for analysis. And that completes this demonstration on how to prepare a sample for the Micromeritics AutoChem 3 Automated Catalyst Characterization System. For more information, visit micromeritics.com/learn.